To the story now, the Judicial Conduct Tribunal has heard that the acquisition of CCTV footage between the dates of 14 and 16 November 2022 by a senior judge of the Eastern Cape Divison of the High Court did not follow procedure. The said footage is evidence relating to allegations of unwanted in-person interactions between Judge's Secretary Andiswa Mengo and Eastern Cape Judge President Selby Mbenenge. Mengo accuses the top judge of sexual harassment between June 2021 and November 2022.
The circumstances surrounding the viewing of the CCTV footage of the Mthatha High Court was thrust into the spotlight at the landmark sexual harassment probe before the Judicial Conduct Tribunal. The tribunal heard that the footage was requested by Judge Bantubonke Tsokota with the permission of the court manager. A process witness Pragabaran Naidu, the Director of Facilities and Security Management at the Office of the Chief Justice, said was not procedural. When he was cross-examined by Mengo's counsel, Advocate Nazreen Rajab Badlenda SC.
So Judge Takota asked to view that footage, and we have an affidavit from him as well in the papers. In his affidavit, he says that he got permission from the court manager to view that footage. Are you aware of that?
I'm not aware of that.
Okay. Do you know who the court manager is in the Mthatha High Court?
Not personally, but I have communicated with him, Mr. Mhlonhlo, at the time of trying to retrieve this footage.
Okay. But am I correctly understand your evidence that that was not in accordance with protocol?
It was not.
This CCTV footage relates to Mengo's previous testimony of alleged unwanted advances from the top judge in his chambers, which she testified took place either on the 14th or the 15th of November 2022. The footage of the 15th, however, could not be acquired.
The footage that we have here today is the footage of the, not just what we view today, but what we have on the device, on the USB, is the footage of 14 and 16 November. Is that correct?
That's correct.
So what's happened to the 15th of November?
I can't say.
Mbenenge's counsel during cross-examination probed whether Naidu had not been given sight of the court manager's affidavit where he states that he sanctioned the viewing of the footage. While Naidu agreed that he did not have sight of it, the principle remained that based on procedure, the court manager did not have the power to sanction it.
And that is not, as much as you've indicated in the affidavit, it's with his blessings. He's not the one to give the blessings, if I may put it that way.
Evidence leader Advocate Solume Skiepers indicated that she's not yet ready to close her case and seeks to call a gender expert to the stand. A request Mbenenge's counsel objected to at this late stage. The tribunal will rule on this request on Tuesday. Kani Mapanga, SABC News, Johannesburg.